On the 8th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a pair of Chloe shades and a diamond belly ring. On the 7th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a nice bed.
Hey guys, welcome back to your girlies vibing with Empress. And as you guys know, the holiday is quickly approaching, and you know your girl want to look nice, right? I mean, I'm not so crusty now, but your girl wants to look extra nice for the holidays. Due to the Christmas rush, guys, I could not have gotten my appointments in one day. So for this maintenance vlog, it's gonna be over a few days. So it is Thursday, December 11. I have a 6 o'clock appointment to do my nails, right? And then I have my lashes appointment at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, Saturday. And I have my hair appointment, which I told her Sunday, but I can't walk in. So I'm gonna see if I can squeeze in Saturday to get my lashes and my hair done. That would be so awesome, because you girl have an event coming up Sunday. We are going. Guess where we're going? Can somebody tell me? I'm gonna tell you where we're going at the end of this video, because y'all not watching out the videos. Y'all need to watch out the video, guys, so it can be recommended to more people and that we can reach our 1K goal. Speaking of 1K goal, guys, I just want to say big up to all my new subscribers, and I just want to say heart of love to everybody who have been supporting me, who have been engaging with my content so far. I love and appreciate you guys. Enough of the talking. So like I said, I could not have gotten my appointments in one day, so we have to just work without the system set. I was thinking of rocking a pixie haircut, but then I said, girl, it's a holiday, you go cook, you go do this. Pixie, you go mess up, the pixie not gonna last. So guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna put on back the wig. Sister girl, we're gonna put back the wig that we had for our birthday in October. We're going to wash it and we're going to get it ready, and we're going to put back that wig on. We're saving a little cash, right? We're saving a little cash. In this Christmas season, it is so tempting for us to try and get everything new and fresh and nice. But sometimes we have to know when the kitty low, when for just hold back, because next year is coming. January is like 6 weeks in January, 5 weeks. Yeah, January long. So you have to remember the tambourine season. So yeah, guys, join me on this maintenance journey. So if you like a good reset video, or if you need a little bit of motivation just to get yourself together, girl, this is a video for you. So let's go, guys.
Massage my feet on the 6th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a crop jacket with dirty denim jeans. On the 5th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me the poem that he wrote for me. Feeling that it feels so good. Feels so in love. If he only knew what he does to me, my man, my baby. Oh, it makes me feel so lovely, so sexy. I'm so in love. How I love him for his generosity, my man, my baby. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? It feels lovely. It feels like Christmas. Feels so lovely. It feels like Christmas. Oh, it feels like Christmas. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? It feels lovely. Feels so lovely. It's really Christmas. On the 4th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a candlelit dinner just for me and my honey. On the 3rd day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a gift certificate to get my favorite CDs. On the 2nd day of Christmas, my baby gave to me the keys to a CLK Mercedes. On the 1st day of Christmas, my baby gave to me quality T.I.M.E. Feeling it, feels so good, feels so in love. If he only knew what he does to me, my man, my baby. Oh, it makes me feel so lovely, so fancy. I'm so in love. How I love him for his generosity, my man, my baby. Christmas feels so lovely. It feels like Christmas. Oh, it feels like Christmas. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? It feels lovely. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? It's so lovely. Doesn't it feel like
Alright guys, so I was rushing as usual to meet my 12 o'clock appointment, so I'm currently waiting to do my lash next. Apparently she has someone, she started late so she wasn't able to finish on time, but I'm early, technically early, so we're going to get our lashes done today, December 13, and this is gonna be Vlogmas 14. Yeah, this is gonna be Vlogmas 14, guys. So we're getting dialed up. I'm not telling you where I'm going just yet. You gotta watch the video to know where I'm going at the end. So up next, we're going to get our hair done. Hopefully I can get my hair done today. Presents and cards are here. My world is filled with cheer and you. This Christmas, and as I look around, your eyes are shining down you. This Christmas, the fire side is blazing bright. Hey guys, so the lashes is done. Yeah, I am heading home to grab the wig. So I washed the wig earlier. I wanted to vlog that for you guys, but I was rushing, so I didn't want to be late. And I mean, like, just speaking about late, you know, these beauty service providers, like when you think about the booking and how strict they are in terms of you have to pay a deposit. Without a deposit, you don't have a booking date. If you're late, you have to pay extra money, and they are so strict on time, right? And I have a 12 o'clock appointment and I was rushing to come for 12. I didn't start my lashes until around 1:30, and I had a 12 o'clock appointment. 1:30, 12 o'clock appointment. Right? Like, where is my discount, you know? Where's my rebate for you being late on my time? Like, I want to hear that conversation there. You know? Like, I'm always puzzled. Why aren't we hearing that convo? Yeah, so I'm going to do the walk-in today. I call my hairdresser and just say, girl, come. I have 3 people. So come. So I know say at midnight, I got it done there tonight. Guys, I got a call. So I know my hairdresser said I come. But it's true, I don't want to be late. I don't want to have anything really to do tomorrow. I just want to cook dinner and then just head out. So I want to see if I can get everything done today. So the only thing I don't get to do is to polish my toes. So I need to get that done. I'm going to try and get it done. The girl told me I could come 9 o'clock tonight because she actually is a nail tech, but she's going to do it at home, so I should come by her house by 9 tonight. Kerry wanted we to go to Big Tune, this event called Big Tune. Sorry she never told me earlier, else I would have made another arrangement. But let's see if with my hair getting done all on time and all of that, because it's now 2:30 and I just reached home. I wasn't far away where the lash tech is. I don't live far from there, so. But you know how my hairdresser, she stay. 2:39 now. I'm gonna grab the wig and then we're going to head back to the hairdresser. So I'll pick you guys up when I'm at the hairdresser. Alright? It's Christmas. Everybody's is blazing bright. And we're caroling through the night. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Shake a hand, shake a hand. The hair is done, guys. I did not leave the hairdresser until 11 o'clock. Yes, 11 o'clock. I left the hairdresser. So I had to rush home, get ready, leave out by the house by 11:30, and I went to Big Tune. But in the upcoming vlog, you guys will get to see the party scene and all of that with my girl Kerry. As promised, we are going to the Best Pink Sip and Paint event by Moya Slay. She's hosting her Sip and Paint for the Christmas, and I am going to. Your girl is getting ready for that, so stay tuned for that vlog coming up. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.